Hello and welcome back to IXL tutorials. This is Mr. Duffick, and today we are doing IXL M4, where we are dealing with the angle-side relationships within triangles. So there's really only one thing you have to know about these IXL problems, is that the side lengths and the angles of triangles are correlative, meaning that the short side of a triangle has the opposite angle, the angle opposite to that side, also is the smallest angle of the triangle. And therefore, the longest side of a triangle has the opposite angle over here with that is the largest angle of a triangle. Okay? So for this question, it says find the largest angle of triangle GHI. Well, to find the largest angle, we just need to find the largest side and find the opposite angle here. So the longest side here is 41, right? It's bigger than 31 and bigger than 29. So the opposite angle is going to be G. This is going to be our largest angle in the problem. So all we're going to do is go down to G, or here, click G, and that's it. Okay? Find the largest angle of triangle ABC. Okay, well, we'll start with the largest side, which is this side right here. The opposite angle to this side is B, and so it's just B. Just another triangle rule here. Find the largest angle here. So our largest side is 49. The opposite is I, and that is I. And that is pretty much it. So I'm going to skip a couple levels, and of course, they're going to start adding more variables and leaving some of the numbers out. For instance, in this problem, it asks you to find the largest side in which you need the largest angle. So it gives you 60 here and 72 here, but you don't know what's here. But to be sure, all you have to do is use your knowledge of what the three angles of a triangle have to add up to, which of course is 180. So we'll make this missing angle X. We'll do 72 plus 60 plus X equals 180. 72 plus 60 is 132 plus X equals 180. And then we'll do subtraction. So 132 is gone. So we're left with X equals 48. So our missing angle is 48 here. So now that we know what that is, what is the largest side? Well, it's going to be the side that is opposite of our largest angle, which is 72. We just had to be sure this angle here was not larger than 72. But now that we know, then that means side AC is going to be the longest side. We'll go back, we'll just type in AC. There we have it. Okay, find the smallest side of triangle VWX. Same deal here. You probably want to do the math and figure out what your missing angle is just in case, but since it's asking for the smallest side, you're just going to find the smallest angle, whatever the smallest angle is here. The side opposite of that angle is going to be the smallest side as well. Okay, I'm going to skip. Okay, so now we're going to find the smallest angle of this triangle HIJ, and it says assume that B is a positive number. Okay, well, just from what we know about triangles, we know that this angle right here is 108, and that has to be the largest angle, okay, between all three of these. So we automatically know that this is not going to be our smallest angle, right? Let's say the other two angles were 109. Well, that would be way over 180 degrees, which would be the sum of all three of them. So there's no way that's going to be the case. This one has to be the largest one. Okay, so now we're left with these two sides here. So is these two angles here, is this angle going to be shorter or is this angle going to be shorter? Well, 39 is a smaller number, so we're going to say J is smaller. And don't let the B throw you off. You can think about it this way. If you plug in any number for B, let's say like 2, then you're going to have 82, and then you're going to have 78. Okay, and then it's just going to keep growing by that factor. So no matter what number you plug in for B, this side is always going to be bigger than this side. So this side right here is going to be the smallest because J is going to be the smallest angle. Okay. Find the smallest side of triangle PQR. Okay. And so to find the numeric value, much like you imagine, we're going to find what C is. And to do that, we know that all three angles have to add up to 180. So we'll just go C plus 62 plus 56, C plus 60, and that's going to equal 180. Okay, we'll combine like terms. We'll go C plus 56C plus C is going to be 58C, and then 62 plus 60 is going to be 122 equals 180. And then we'll do subtraction, subtract 122 from both sides. We're left with 58C equals 58. All right, divide 58 by both sides. And of course, C is just going to equal 1. Okay, so when we plug 1 into all of these, 1 plus 62 is 63. 1 plus 61 is 61, and 1 times 56 is 56. So when it asks for the smallest side of our triangle, it appears that angle P is going to be our smallest angle, meaning RQ is going to be our smallest side. RQ. Okay. List the angle measures of triangle IJK in order from smallest to largest. All right. Angle measures. So it looks like we have a 96 here, which is going to be the largest. It's going to be above 90. So that's going to be our largest for sure. And we're doing from small to large. So angle J is going to be our largest. And now we just have to decide between angle I and angle K. Well, I would say angle I is definitely the smallest because that's only 23p, whereas K is going to be related to the 46p. So I is going to be smallest, followed by K, and then followed by J. All right. And I think that is where I'm going to stop the video. Remember, the shortest side is going to correspond to the shortest angle because they are opposites of each other. They're on opposite sides of the triangle. Okay. That's going to be it for today's IXL tutorial video. Stay safe, study hard, and catch you next time. Bye-bye.